Hello, ladies and gentlemen, it's your truly Ian Bias, and today I'm back with another video. I always come each and every week, give you guys my weekly focus, the pairs that I'm focusing on, and the pairs that it's already running, and the one which is really still preparing themselves to start going into that direction, guys. So, guys, I urge you to stay tuned until the end of this video, because there are some two new pairs. I'll be introducing it for you guys, and it's really gonna do something a lot about you guys. So I urge you to go down there, tap onto the subscribe button so that whenever I'll be releasing any video, you'll be the first person to come and watch this video, guys. And also, if you find any kind of value in this kind of content that I do, please just go down there and subscribe, guys. So thank you. And I know you guys won't be seeing my face today because I'm in somewhere where my face won't be able to be seen. So guys, let's just go into our video and see what is happening into the forex market, guys. So remember last week we talked about gold, how I was able to enter gold. And if I'm to show you guys about gold, guys, gold right now is has had started running but it's back into our entry. Gold right now is back with our entry. My entry was somewhere right here. I remember last time when I told you guys that I had to wait for these two candlestick confirmations. Then I entered from here. Then my stop loss was below here. My first TP was it is here. Then the rest it's here, guys. So right now we are back into break even, but my stop loss is still below here. So this is what is happening with gold. There's nothing much more interesting about gold right now. So let's go into another pair that it's been like now, I think a month. I've been holding this pair for like now one full month, and it's now started showing for us some clear entry criteria. It's that's none other than Gbpchf, guys. Gbpchf right now has broken right now started showing for us, guys, something here which is quite, and this is my first entry, guys. If you've been following me for some good time, you know this is my entry, and this market has been holding into my stop loss for like now 2 3 weeks, and right now finally we have broken below into profit. Right now we are running in profit. And so guys, I want to show you guys something. If I'm to take you into a daily time frame of this zone of this trade, you could see when the market uh, broke this trend line and retested, the market pushed with the bearish engulfing candlestick and broke this zone, broke this yellow zone as you're seeing right now. So if I'm to go into a 4 hour, you could see this consolidation had formed a pattern which is a double top in a 4 hour time frame. As you could see, this is a double top in a 4 hour time frame, and not only did it form a double top in a 4 hour time frame, but also when it was breaking the neckline, it came here and then give us it came here and it gave us a supply zone somewhere here. So the only thing that I do is just pretty much simple. I had to draw this yellow zone right here at the supply zone. So the only thing you need to be waiting for, and I have to be waiting for my second entry. As for you guys, I know it will be your first entry. Just wait for the market to come back all the way to this supply zone. Then after, draw a counter trend line or wait for a bounce of a bearish engulfing candlestick in a 4 hour time frame, guys. And also our first TP is gonna be where the market started reversing. This will be our first TP, then you let the rest to just roll, guys. So this just for the Gbpchf. Your sell can be somewhere around here. Your first TP will be here, which is around 1:2, which is not quite bad. Let the market to first come back all the way to here, guys. So when it start to bounce from somewhere around here, that's when you come and then enter with a confirmation of a bullish, a bearish engulfing candlestick or a counter trend line break. So this is just for the Gbpchf. I'm still holding into this trade, and this trade is running. And also last week we talked about Chfjpy. We talked about Chfjpy, which right now it's showing for us something, guys. Last time we talked about Chfjpy, and right last time it was still at around this zone. Last time was just around this zone, and right now, as you're seeing, the market is breaking this pattern. Like the market is breaking down this pattern. What you're seeing here, the market is breaking this W pattern, which has been formed in a weekly time frame. And we guys, we know any pattern formed in a weekly time frame, it is a very, very strong one. And not only it being strong, but also when the market breaks it, it has to break with a bullish engulfing candlestick of a weekly time frame. So I think we just need to wait for another. The whole of this week we will not be able to take this trade. I think this trade we might be able to take it next week when the market start pulling back. So for now, guys, I'm just giving you what is going on with Chfjpy. The market's breaking this neckline of this pattern of the W pattern. If I'm to come into daily time frame, you could see the market is breaking. So what we have to wait is just pretty much simple. Wait for the market to do whatever it wants to do up there, and then a pullback into this demand zone, a pullback into this demand zone, and this demand zone here. Need to wait for a pullback into this demand zone. Then after, wait for a confirmation, the one you always know, a candidate. Uh, a bullish engulfing confirmation in the 4 hour or a counter trend line break, guys. So this just for confirmation that I always use to like for myself. I know you guys have your own kind of confirmation, so just stick to your own entry criteria. This is just what I'm giving you on my own perspective, guys. So this is just for the Chfjpy. Let's wait forever you just want to be doing. And also last week we talked about Eurocad, and Eurocad is still, it's still just last time when we talked about Eurocad was still somewhere around here. And I told you guys we have to wait for Eurocad to come back and retest this demand zone somewhere here. And right now, as we are seeing, Eurocad is coming, and this is an intermediate which is 50% fip, which is 50 fip of, and this all run, guys. So the market has to first come and retest here once more before continuing into the upside. So this is just for the Eurocad. Last week we had talked about, I'm just giving you guys what is happening with Eurocad. The market is coming to our demand zone, so you guys need to get ready for another trade which is coming in Eurocad. Let Eurocad just play and then let it come to this zone, and when it comes to this zone, you need to use at least a counter trend line. Let me first see. Yeah, I think this counter trend line needs to be playing out. Yeah, this counter trend line is gonna help us. So when it comes to this zone, let at least break this counter trend line, or let it give you at least a bullish engulfing in a daily or 4 hour time frame, guys. So this is just for Eurocard. It's, let's just be patient and wait for whatever it is doing. And also I've got another two more pairs that I want to talk about this week. All these pairs that I'm giving you guys, I'm not trading them all. I'm just giving you guys so that you go and take one or two that you know it's as form the entry criteria that you like the most, that has formed your A setup, B setup, or whatever you always like to trade. These are just trade that I'm giving you, but I always don't take it all. So always also go and take only one or two pairs of what I'm giving you guys and trade it. So today I've got new pairs, and which is none other than, there are two. So the first one is USD Chef. USD Chef. USD Chef has been giving us some bearish movement somewhere here. If I'm to come into a weekly time frame, you could see uh, USD Chef has just been only in a only in a downward movement. And when I'm to get my Fibonacci from where it started moving here to this, from the higher swing to the lower swing, you could see this here, it's the 50% fib of this all run. Yeah, this is the 50% fib of this all run. And what is happening is that once the market came on, retested it once more, the market started giving us this bullish, this bearish engulfing, showing us it still want to continue going down for some more time. So as you could see, USD CAD, USDchf, it's still just 1980 out of 100. It's still gonna go down. From what I'm seeing from a weekly time frame, everything is just showing bearish movement. So if I'm to remove this out, this was the first supply zone where the market came and retested it very nicely, and also it bounced off with a weekly bearish engulfing candlestick, and also gave us another bearish engulfing candlestick, guys. So which shows this movement is really very strong. So if I'm to come into a daily time frame, when the market was reversing, for this bearish movement after this kind of consolidation, the market create for us also another pattern here in a daily time frame, which this pattern also is strong. Pattern in a daily time frame that are also very strong. The market's formed for us an M pattern here. And so the only thing I'll be waiting for, it's pretty much simple. I need this price to come back and retest this neckline for this pattern here, guys. See this pattern here? This pattern here, the market has to first come and retest it once more somewhere here, and then it continue to the downside. So this is just for the USD Chef. And also if I'm to come into a 4-hour time frame, you could see the market form for us a supply zone somewhere here, which shows this market is really, this zone is really very strong. So the only thing I'll wait for, just for the market to come and retest here once more. Then when it comes here, I'll be able to come back and tell you guys more of what is happening with the USD Chef, guys. So this is just for the USD Chef. Let's be patient and wait, guys, with what is happening on USD Chef. And also I got one more pair that I'll be talking about before I just leave, because I'll need to be going somewhere right now. One more pair, and which is none other than Bitcoin, guys. Bitcoin recently has been trending bearish for some quite good time, and I'm still seeing some more bearish movement coming in Bitcoin. So let's first go and see the roll down of Bitcoin and what is happening with Bitcoin, guys. Bitcoin. Yes, Bitcoin. I've taken long without talking about Bitcoin. So guys, this is Bitcoin, guys. I do think that is happening with Bitcoin. See, Bitcoin has been making for us now. This was a higher highs. The mark was supposed to come and make for us a higher low somewhere here, and then continue with this bullish movement, but the market fails. In fact, it started changing the direction. Here it come and make for us a lower highs, and then come and make a lower low. Then right now the market's making for us another lower high somewhere here. But also there are two things that are happening into these markets, guys. Two things that are happening, because not only the market is trying to show for us some kind of a reversal somewhere here. See, the market has formed for us a kind of a W pattern in a weekly time frame. And if I'm to put this line here, this look like a neckline of this W pattern. And also the market is still failing to break this trend line. We guys know always the touch of the trend line always does a trick. So if I'm to come into a daily time frame, two things are happening. The market is failing to break this trend line of this outer trend line of the bearish trend. The market is failing to break, and also the market has formed for us a double pattern in a weekly time frame. So what the only thing I can be waiting for so that I will be in a very right and a clear picture of this price action. It's pretty much simple. I drew some. If the market is to blow up out of this trend line, it's just very clear. Let me first remove this trend line out. If the market blow up out of this trend line, blow up like this, a bullish engulfing, it's very clear we are going for a buy, guys. We are going for a buy. But right now, the market is failing to break this trend line. We stand for with the sell, guys. You know, in trading, everything is 50-50. You don't have to always be on only one side of the market. You need to be seeing both sides and start weighing them how they are all looking. So right now, what is looking for now, this market is still bearish, and the market is still bearish. This market is still bearish for now. So the only thing I'll be waiting for, if this market it is to continue with this bearish trend, I have to come into a 4 hour and draw this counter trend line. Let me remove this counter trend line just for now. I need to draw this counter trend line uh, like so. This counter trend line, it's like, let me start from somewhere here. Yeah, as you could see, the markers been respecting here. The mark has been touching the trend line, bounce up, touch it, bounce up, touch it, bounce up. So it shows that this trend line is very strong. So I will only be interested to trade Bitcoin or to come and let you guys know about Bitcoin if the market breaks below this trend line. If the market breaks below this trend line, I'll come back and then just give you more about Bitcoin of when and where you can go and then start selling this Bitcoin. But if the market still just continue getting stuck here, we don't have any buy or any sell, guys. So for now, this is just for the Bitcoin. Let's be patient and wait. Either the market breaks above this yellow zone or the market breaks below this counter trend line zone, guys. So this is just for this week. So we have come into the end of this video. Right now we have talked so far about 5 pairs. One, Gbpchf, which is ready. I'm in JPY, a Chfjpy, which I'm still waiting for my pullback. Eurocad is already pulling. We are patiently waiting. USD Chef, we are still waiting. And last but not least, Bitcoin, and also we are still waiting. So this just the 5 pairs that I had to come and then let you guys know about it, guys. So if you've been watching me from the beginning until the end, guys, I really want to appreciate you guys. And also, if you find any value into this content, please go down there and subscribe. And also, if you want me to talk about any pair, guys, just go and then drop it into the comment section, and then I'll come and check in, and the next week I'll come back and talk about it, guys. So this is just for now. Thank you. It's your truly Ian Pius, and just thank you for now, and please use a proper risk management whenever you are entering a trade. And for now, thank you and peace out.